your Smokies, boy. Houston, we got liftoff.
7:59 a.m.
We got the box in today. My hatch struts, my cow piece, whatever these are. Nice door handle, full metal, no more plastic.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So this beautiful baby, gotta go right there. I got some clips still in there, so I'm just gonna put those back where they belong. I got my hose sticking out right there for a little prank I did. Now it's time to put it back. I think that's where it goes. I'm not sure. That's where it looks like it goes, but it's something else. There you go. Ow. Damn. Ow. Ow. Ow.
You tripping?
Oh, hee. Raise it up. Yeah, boy.
Not gonna fall?
Nope, not anymore. That's clean with it. That's fucking clean. It looks like an old school fucking car now.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
A little public service announcement for all you little goobers that don't subscribe to Flick's Garage. I will find you and bring you to the depths of the underworld. You have been warned.
Holy fuck, they did break it. Look at that. Be careful with your shipments. It fucking broke my shit. LMR.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Fucking shitty fucking shippers.
So you gotta stay still with it?
No, you just gotta freaking just hold it and know it's recording.
Alright, well, yeah.
Get out. Hell yeah, rudder. Like a million times better.
Oh yeah, that's very nice there. Ouch.
Oops, wrong way. I just need to get that trim piece underneath. But it looks great.
72 hours later.
I was gonna film yesterday. He's working on his car. Yeah. I see this. Where's the door? I'm gonna call her. I was gonna film yesterday when we were working on the Bronco, but it was just too much. I was like, We were in it.
Start it.
Yeah. We primed.
Let it chill. You should let it chill. It's fine. But if it coming up down, it was fine.
It's level. It's at the same.
I'll push the gas and let it warm up. Okay, I'll do nothing. Should I give it now or wait? Because you. It's strong. Okay. Strong. Okay, guys, right now, help me with this.
What the hell?
Okay?
He pulled out a wire. Okay, guys.
Help me with this. Oh, like click, click, click. Okay. What is it, mijo? ¿Es de low? 12.4. It's not low, huh?
No. 12.5.
I want to shake some. I'm not comfortable.
Yesterday we did the brakes on this and the rotors. My wife drove it to the brakes. Oh, the brake pad on this side and the inner wore faster than the outer because the piston inside the caliper got stuck and the thread got fucked up, so we had to pull out the piston and rethread the inside of the caliper and the piston and a whole bunch of fucking mess. But we got it done. Got the new rotors, new brake pads, new hardware on there. Looking great. I'm gonna get the PCM ordered for that one, the 86 Bronco, so we can get that one started. And yeah, a little quick preview. We'll see what happens. We're trying to get this little Black Hillsman started. Once we get it started, we'll finish it off.